Hello everybody, this is a bit of a chit chat video and washing up after canning chicken. So yesterday I canned chicken and every one of these jars has sealed. And I'm about to wash the jars. Now, why would I wash the jars? Because, you know, it's good to get debris from the canning pot and the process off of the jars. When I began to can on a regular basis, I never washed my jars. You know, my mother water bath canned a lot of jams. I never remember her putting the jars in the sink and washing them. In fact, in her later years, when she would come over to my condo, she would watch me can and she was fascinated with it. And she would ask me, well, why are you putting the jars in the sink? Well, to wash them, you know. Although she didn't do that, she was quite industrious. I remember being camping once and my father was working down in Toronto and she found a raspberry bush. And she went to the phone box at the camping site and called my dad. George, bring my canning pot. I found raspberries. Anyway, she would can raspberry jam while she was camping. So, you know, she was industrious, but I didn't learn washing jars from her. I learned it from Heather, the Needy Homesteader. She did a video years ago about washing jars after the canning process. So that's what I'm about to do. Let's get started. I'm going to fill the sink, but I'm not going to put vinegar in. When I forget to put vinegar in the canning pot, I do add it to the sink, but I didn't forget when I processed this chicken, so I'm just going to use soap. If you have a jar where the ring band won't come off, just stick it under the water and that'll loosen it up.